Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it was tripping the breaker when it was heating up, and it will usually do it around 170 degrees to 160 degrees. So once we open up the machine, we find out that one of the O-rings that is located near the boiler, the one that is below that little hose that is connected, that hose that goes around, that was connected to the boiler, was leaking. So we just replaced that little O-ring and that's it. We made sure that the other O-rings that we replaced a couple of months ago were still fine and were not leaking, and as you can see, they're not leaking or anything like that. And right now the machine is at 200 degrees, and just to show you pressure of the machine, that steam is coming from this boiler, which is the steam boiler. So that pressure is inside the boiler. As you can see, coming out really nice. The steam coming out with temperature. Do we have the hot water? Yes. Hot water. Working perfectly fine. Coming out from the boiler of the machine. And the flow of the groove head. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it. Breville, not, oh sorry, turning up a mistake. Sure, I wanted to press this one. Breville Oracle working once again and not tripping the breaker once it gets to 200 degrees. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.